Who did Abraham send to get a wife for Isaac? Option A, his chief servant. Option B, his chief maid servant. Option C, his nephew Lot. Option D, a hired manager. The correct answer is option A, his chief servant. How did the one who went to find a wife for Isaac swear? Option A, he raised his right hand to the Lord. Option B, he set up a memorial stone. Option C, he put his hand under Abraham's thigh. Option D, he put his hand on Abraham's hat. The correct answer is option C, he put his hand under Abraham's thigh. What criteria did Abraham give in the search for a wife for Isaac? Option A, she be a daughter of Abraham's relatives. Option B, she not be a Canaanite. Option C, she be a virgin. Option D, she be a believer in the Lord. The correct answer is option B, she not be a Canaanite. On what condition was the one sent to find Isaac a wife released from his oath? Option A, if the woman was unwilling to marry Isaac. Option B, if the woman was already married. Option C, if her family had already promised her to someone else. Option D, if the woman was unwilling to return with him. The correct answer is option D, if the woman was unwilling to return with him. Who was Rebekah's grandfather and Abraham's brother? Option A, Terah. Option B, Lot. Option C, Nahor. Option D, Laban. The correct answer is option C, Nahor. At what time do women draw water? Option A, in the morning. Option B, toward evening. Option C, at midday. Option D, at night. The correct answer is option B, toward evening. What criterion did one looking for Isaac's wife use to identify which woman the Lord had selected for Isaac? Option A, she had to offer to water his camels. Option B, she had to offer him a drink. Option C, she had to invite him home. Option D, she had to have her face veiled. The correct answer is option A, she had to offer to water his camels. What gifts did the one searching for Isaac's wife give Rebekah along with the gold bracelets? Option A, a gold ring for her finger. Option B, a gold slipper. Option C, a gold nose ring. Option D, a gold crown for her head. The correct answer is option C, a gold nose ring. What was Laban's relationship to Rebekah? Option A, an uncle. Option B, a father. Option C, a cousin. Option D, a brother. correct answer is option D, a brother. Who was Abraham convinced would go with the one searching for Isaac's wife, making the journey successful? Option A, the Lord himself. Option B, the Spirit of the Most High. Option C, the Lord's presence. Option D, the Lord's angel. The correct answer is option D, the Lord's angel. Where did the one searching for Isaac's wife meet Rebekah? Option A, by a spring. Option B, by a river. Option C, by the sea. Option D, by a falls. The correct answer is option A, by a spring. How did Rebekah draw water? Option A, with a bucket. Option B, with a water skin. Option C, with a jar. Option D, with a dipper. The correct answer is option C, with a jar. Bethuel was what relationship with Rebekah? Option A, uncle. Option B, father. Option C, brother. Option D, grandfather. The correct answer is option B, father. Who accompanied Rebekah as she went to Abraham's household? Option A, her uncle. Option B, her father. Option C, her nurse. Option D, her brother. The correct answer is option C, her nurse. To whom did the one searching for Isaac's wife give costly gift for Rebekah? Option A, her mother and brother. Option B, her father and mother. Option C, her grandmother and father. Option D, her uncle and father. The correct answer is option A, her mother and brother. Where was Isaac when he met Rebekah for the first time? Option A, in the wilderness of Beersheba. Option B, in a valley by Arad. Option C, in the hills of Hebron. Option D, in the Negev near Bir Lahai Roi. The correct answer is option D, in the Negev near Bir Lahai Roi. When Rebekah saw she was going to meet Isaac, what did she do? Option A, she covered her feet. Option B, she covered himself with a veil. Option C, she jumped off the camel and ran to meet him. Option D, she gave him a cup of water. The correct answer is option B, she covered herself with a veil. Rebekah helped comfort Isaac from what grief? Option A, the loss of his father. Option B, not having a brother or sister. Option C, the loss of his mother. Option D, the loss of his servant. The correct answer is option C, the loss of his mother. After Sarah died, who did Abram take as his wife? Option A, Dedan. Option B, Jokshan. Option C, Keturah. Option D, Hagar. The correct answer is option C, Keturah. Abram divided his estate in all of the following ways except option A, left everything he owned to Isaac. Option B, gave the other sons his herds. Option C, gave gifts to the sons of his other wife and concubines. Option D, sent the other sons away to the east. The correct answer is option B, gave the other sons his herds. Hagar was originally from what country or city? Option A, Egypt. Option B, Haran. Option C, Jerusalem. Option D, Damascus. The correct answer is option A, Egypt. How old was Abram when he died? Old and full of years. Option A, 155. Option B, 185. Option C, 135. Option D, 175. The correct answer is option D, 175. Who buried Abram? Option A, Isaac. Option B, Ismail. Option C, Ismail and Isaac. Option D, all his sons. The correct answer is option C, Ismail and Isaac. In what cave was Abram buried? Option A, Machpelah. Option B, Dedan. Option C, Kedemah. Option D, Hadad. The correct answer is option A, Machpelah. Ephron, who sold the burial cave to Abram, was from what group of people? Option A, Edomites. Option B, Hittites. Option C, Jebusites. Option D, Egyptians. The correct answer is option B, Hittites. Ismail's descendants were characterized as dash. Option A, deceit merchants. Option B, builders of cities. Option C, craftsmen in silver and gold. Option D, living in hospitality toward their brothers. The correct answer is option D, living in hospitality toward their brothers. How old was Isaac when he married Rebekah? Option A 20, option B 30, option C 40, option D 50. The correct answer is option C 40. Rebekah was originally from what region? Option A Babylon, option B Padan Aram, option C Damascus, option D Ugarit. The correct answer is option B Padan Aram. What national group did Rebekah come from? Option A Aramean, option B Hittite, option C Jebusite, option D Assyrian. The correct answer is option A Aramean. What did Isaac do when faced with Rebekah's barrenness? Option A, he gave her gifts. Option B, he offered a sacrifice to the Lord. Option C, he prayed. Option D, he had a dream from God. The correct answer is option C, he prayed. When Rebekah inquired of the Lord about the baby's Jocelyn, what did she learn about her children? Option A, the one would be a mighty hunter. Option B, the older would serve the younger. Option C, the one would be red-haired. Option D, the twins would fight forever. The correct answer is option B, the older would serve the younger. Rebekah and Isaac named the first child Esau because option A, he was older and stronger. Option B, God had told them what to name him. Option C, he was kicking at his brother. Option D, his whole body was covered with hair. The correct answer is option D, his whole body was covered with hair. Rebekah and Isaac named the second child Jacob because option A, he was grabbing his brother's heel. Option B, he was the son of the promise. Option C, he was the one to whom the birthright would be given. Option D, he was the smooth. The correct answer is option A, he was grabbing his brother's heel. When Esau grew up, what qualities was he noted for? Option A, he was a successful farmer. Option B, he was a trader. Option C, he became a skillful hunter. Option D, he was a skillful craftsman. The correct answer is option C, he became a skillful hunter. Why did Isaac love Esau? Option A, because Esau looked like him. Option B, because he had a taste for wild game. Option C, because he served his father faithfully. Option D, because he was strong. The correct answer is option B, because he had a taste for wild game. Jacob was described as option A tricky man sneaking about, option B a loud man seeking to deceive, option C a gentleman farming his fields, option D a quiet man staying by the tents. The correct answer is option D, a quiet man staying by the tents. Why is Esau called Edom? Option A, because of the red stew he desired. Option B, because he was hairy at birth. Option C, because he despised his birthright. Option D, because his father favored him. The correct answer is option A, because of the red stew he desired. What did Jacob desire from Esau in payment for his red stew? Option A, the blessing of his father. Option B, all his inheritance. Option C, the birthright. Option D, 50 shekels of silver. The correct answer is option C, the birthright. Isaac went to Abimelech during a famine. What was his nationality? Option A, Edomite. Option B, Amalekite. Option C, Philistine. Option D, Egyptian. The correct answer is option C, Philistine. During the famine, where did the Lord forbid Isaac to go? Option A, Haran. Option B, Egypt. Option C, Sinai. Option D, Jordan. The correct answer is option B, Egypt. All of the following covenant promises were restated to Isaac except option A, descendants as numerous as the stars. Option B, all the lands where he was dwelling. Option C, offering that would be a blessing to all nations. Option D, the recipients of God's law. The correct answer is option D, the recipients of God's law. What contributing factor did God say influenced his making a covenant with Abraham? Option A, Abraham obeyed God's decrees. Option B, Abraham believed God. Option C, Abraham worshipped God. Option D, Abraham left Babylon as God had commanded him. The correct answer is option A, Abraham obeyed God's decrees. To what city of Abimelech did Isaac go when there was a famine? Option A, Beersheba. Option B, Hebron. Option C, Gerar. Option D, Gaza. The correct answer is option C, Gerar. When Abimelech's men asked about Isaac's wife Rebekah, how did Isaac respond? Option A, he fled to the next town. Option B, he said she was his sister. Option C, he said she was his servant. Option D, he said she had a curse on her. The correct answer is option B. He said she was his sister. After what incident did Abimelech comfort Isaac, saying he had divorced Rebekah was his wife? Option A, after he had spit Isaac, encouraging Rebekah. Option B, after his men had divorced, they had a child. Option C, after one of Isaac's servants told the king. Option D, after God warned him in a dream. The correct answer is option A, after he had spit Isaac, encouraging Rebekah. When Isaac planted his crops during the famine in Abimelech's territory, how much did he reap? Option A, 12-fold. Option B, 50-fold. Option C, 100-fold. Option D, 200-fold. The correct answer is option C. How did Philistines of Isaac's time do to the wells that Abraham had dug? Option A, they poisoned them. Option B, they ran them dry. Option C, they fought over them. Option D, they filled them up. The correct answer is option D. They filled them up. When Isaac dug wells in the valley of Gerar, how did the Philistines respond? Option A, they poisoned them. Option B, they ran them dry. Option C, they fought over them. Option D, they filled them up. The correct answer is option C. They fought over them. The well that Isaac dug and named, "Now the Lord has given us room, and we will flourish in the land," was named dash. Option A, Isaac. Option B, Rehoboth. Option C, Titna. Option D, Lo Ruhamah. The correct answer is option B, Rehoboth. In what town did Isaac build an altar after the Lord appeared to him? Option A, Beersheba. Option B, Hebron. Option C, Gerar. Option D, Gaza. The correct answer is option A, Beersheba. Who was the commander of Abimelech's forces? Option A, Horam. Option B, Achish. Option C, Sihon. Option D, Tikal. The correct answer is option D, Tikal. Abimelech, after realizing the Lord was blessing Isaac, wanted what from Isaac? Option A gift. Option B, a treaty. Option C, taxes. Option D, protection from the Egyptians. The correct answer is option B, a treaty. After Isaac granted Abimelech his request and dug a well called Sheba, what was the town named? Option A, Hebron. Option B, Gerar. Option C, Beersheba. Option D, Gaza. The correct answer is option C, Beersheba. Esau married a woman of what nationality? Option A, Philistine. Option B, Hittite. Option C, Edomite. Option D, Amalekite. The correct answer is option B, Hittite. What physical problem did Isaac have when he wanted to bless his son? Option A, not able to see. Option B, not able to hear. Option C, not able to walk. Option D, not able to remember. The correct answer is option A, not able to see. What did Isaac request in order to give his blessing? Option A lamb roasted the way he liked it. Option B, a young goat prepared the way he liked it. Option C, wild game prepared the way he liked it. Option D, some bread and wine. The correct answer is option C, wild game prepared the way he liked it. Who overheard Isaac's intention to give Esau the blessing? Option A, Jacob. Option B, Rebekah. Option C, his servant. Option D, Rebekah's handmaid. The correct answer is option B, Rebekah. What meat was Jacob instructed to take his father in order to receive the blessing? Option A, some bread and wine. Option B, 2 sheep roasted as his father liked. Option C, 2 young pigeons. Option D, 2 young goats from the flock. The correct answer is option D, 2 young goats from the flock. What difference between Jacob and Esau did Jacob fear would lead his father to discover the plot to steal the blessing? Option A, Esau was red-haired and Jacob dark. Option B, Esau was strong and Jacob was weak. Option C, Esau was hairy and Jacob was smooth. Option D, Esau was smelled like a hunter and Jacob like a farmer. The correct answer is option C, Esau was hairy and Jacob smooth. How did Jacob receive his father's touch? Option A, he wore goat skin on his hands Option B. He stood at the distance so his father could not touch him. Option C. He carried Esau's bow. Option D. He covered himself with sheep's wool. The correct answer is option A. He wore goat skin on his hands. What accompanied Jacob's kiss of his father that confirmed and resulted in his getting the blessing? Option A. The weapons he carried were Esau's. Option B. The wine was Esau's. Option C. His voice sounded like Esau. Option D. The smell of Esau's clothes. The correct answer is option D. The smell of Esau's clothes. Isaac blessed of the fields of Jacob with option A. Much rain. Option B. Heaven's dew. Option C. Salt on his enemies' fields. Option D. Springs of water. The correct answer is option B. Heaven's dew. Isaac blessed Jacob in all of the following ways except option A. He would be Lord over his brothers. Option B. Those that blessed him would be blessed. Option C. His children would number as the stars. Option D. His fields would produce abundant grain. The correct answer is option C. His children would number as the stars. What was Isaac's response when Esau came in with the meat to receive his blessing? Option A. He trembled violently. Option B. He was extremely angry. Option C. He bowed his head in silence. Option D. He tore his clothes. The correct answer is option A. He trembled violently. Esau, having lost his father's blessing to Jacob, condemned Jacob's name as meaning dash. Option A. Heel grabber. Option B. Betrayer. Option C. Blessed by God. Option D. Deceiver. The correct answer is option D. Deceiver. Isaac's blessing on Esau said he would live. Option A. By the species of the earth. Option B. By the sword. Option C. By hunting and fishing. Option D. As a merchant for his brother. The correct answer is option B. By the sword. In Isaac's blessing on Esau, he said Esau's descendants would eventually option A. Conquer Jacob. Option B. Kill the descendants of Jacob. Option C. Throw off Jacob's yoke. Option D. Break the shackles of Jacob's rule. The correct answer is option C. Throw off Jacob's yoke. What did Esau plan to do to Jacob after he stole the blessing? Option A. Kill him after his father died. Option B. Sell him as a slave after his father died. Option C. Put him in a pit when his mother was not around. Option D. Make Jacob his slave after his father died. The correct answer is option A. Kill him after his father died. To whom did Rebekah seek to send Jacob after he stole the blessing? Option A. Nahor, his relative. Option B. Lot, his uncle. Option C. Haran, her uncle. Option D. Laban, her brother. The correct answer is option D. Laban, her brother. With whom did Rebekah have trouble? Option A. Esau's Edomite wives. Option B. Esau's Hittite wives. Option C. The servant of Isaac. Option D. Esau's Egyptian wives. The correct answer is option B. Esau's Hittite wives. Before Isaac sent Jacob away, what one command did he give him? Option A. To remember the ways of the Lord. Option B. Not to marry a Canaanite woman. Option C. Not to go into the land of the Philistines. Option D. Not to forsake the law of the Lord. The correct answer is option B. Not to marry a Canaanite woman. Isaac sent Jacob to the house of Rebekah's father, who was dash. Option A. Laban. Option B. Lot. Option C. Bethuel. Option D. Terah. The correct answer is option C. Bethuel. Laban was Jacob's dash. Option A. Uncle. Option B. Cousin. Option C. Grandfather. Option D. Brother-in-law. The correct answer is option A. Uncle. Isaac, when wishing Jacob goodbye, hoped God would give specifically what except of the Abrahamic blessing to Jacob. Option A. The Messiah would come through him. Option B. That he would be a blessing to all peoples. Option C. That his descendants would find rich pasture. Option D. He would possess the land. The correct answer is option D. He would possess the land. Laban was of what national or original tribal identity? Option A. Arabic. Option B. Edomite. Option C. Aramean. Option D. Egyptian. The correct answer is option C. Aramean. To what region did Isaac send Jacob? Option A. Egypt. Option B. Paddan Aram. Option C. Edom. Option D. Ammon. The correct answer is option B. Paddan Aram. realizing his parents did not like his Canaanite wives, Esau married a woman who was a descendant of Dash. Option A, Laban. Option B, Ismail. Option C, Melchizedek. Option D, Farah. The correct answer is option B, Ismail. When Jacob left Isaac to go to Laban, what town did he send out for? Option A, Haran. Option B, Tyre. Option C, Damascus. Option D, Beersheba. The correct answer is option A, Haran. In Jacob's vision, what or who were ascending and descending on the stairway to heaven? Option A, family members. Option B, animals. Option C, angels. Option D, people with trumpets. The correct answer is option C, angels. When Jacob saw the stairway to heaven, all of the following Abrahamic covenantal promises were reiterated to him except option A, seed would multiply as the dust. Option B, the land would be his. Option C, his line would last forever. Option D, through him all peoples would be blessed. The correct answer is option C, his line would last forever. After Jacob's stairway to heaven dream, in what two ways did he identify the place where he slept? Option A, house of God and temple of the Most High. Option B, house of God and gate of heaven. Option C, highway to heaven and gate of the Most High. Option D, house of God and his earthly footstool. The correct answer is option B, house of God and gate of heaven. When Jacob had his stairway to heaven dream, what did he use as a pillow as he slept? Option A, a stone. Option B, a lamp. Option C, his back. Option D, the earth. The correct answer is option A, a stone. What did Jacob call the place where he had his stairway to heaven dream? Option A, Beersheba. Option B, Jerusalem. Option C, Bethlehem. Option D, Bethel. The correct answer is option D, Bethel. What was the place where Jacob had his stairway to heaven dream, formerly called before Jacob named it? Option A, Hazor. Option B, Luz. Option C, Lais. Option D, Lachish. The correct answer is option B, Luz. Jacob said God would be his God if the Lord did all of the following. Option A, give him food to eat. Option B, provide him with clothes to wear. Option C, provide him with a wife. Option D, bring him back to his place. The correct answer is option C. Provide him with a wife. What did Jacob say would be God's house? Option A. The pillar he set up. Option B. The mountain on which he slept. Option C. The bush near where the dream took place. Option D. The threshing floor on which he slept. The correct answer is option A. The pillar he set up. Jacob promised that if he returned to the place of his dream, he would give God how much of his possessions? Option A. A third. Option B. A tenth. Option C. A half. Option D. Everything he owned. The correct answer is option B. A tenth. When Jacob arrived in Padan Aram, what stopped the sheep from being watered at the well? Option A. A tree. Option B. A stone. Option C. A guard. Option D. A shepherd. The correct answer is option B. A stone. When Jacob arrived in Padan Aram, he asked the shepherd if they knew Laban the grandson of Dash. Option A. Bethuel. Option B. Lot. Option C. Nahor. Option D. Terah. The correct answer is option C. Nahor. Who did Jacob first meet at the well in Padan Aram? Option A. Rachel. Option B. Leah. Option C. Laban. Option D. Terah. The correct answer is option A. Rachel. How did Laban greet Jacob? Option A. Embraced and anointed him with oil. Option B. Washed his feet and blessed him. Option C. Shook his hand and washed his feet. Option D. Kissed and embraced him. The correct answer is option D. Kissed and embraced him. How many years did Jacob agree to work for Rachel? Option A. 3. Option B. 4. Option C. 7. Option D. 10. The correct answer is option C. 7. Who was the first cousin Jacob actually married? Option A. Rachel. Option B. Leah. Option C. Rebecca. Option D. Milcah. The correct answer is option B. Leah. How long after Jacob's first marriage did he have to wait in order to marry Laban's second daughter? Option A. a week. Option B, a year. Option C, 7 years. Option D, 10 years. The correct answer is option a week. Laban gave which servant girl with Leah? Option A, Milcah. Option B, Zilpah. Option C, Bilhah. Option D, Hagar. The correct answer is option B, Zilpah. Laban gave which servant girl with Rachel? Option A, Milcah. Option B, Zilpah. Option C, Bilhah. Option D, Hagar. The correct answer is option C, Bilhah. Why did the Lord open Leah's womb? Option A, because she was the older. Option B, because she reverenced the Lord. Option C, because she was Jacob's first wife. Option D, because she was not loved. The correct answer is option D, because she was not loved. Leah had all of the following sons except Option A, Levi. Option B, Benjamin. Option C, Reuben. Option D, Judah. The correct answer is option B, Benjamin. Who was Leah's firstborn? Option A, Levi. Option B, Benjamin. Option C, Reuben. Option D, Judah. The correct answer is option C, Reuben. Which of Leah's children was named with the statement, "This time I will praise the Lord"? Option A, Levi. Option B, Benjamin. Option C, Reuben. Option D, Judah. The correct answer is option D, Judah. What characteristic did Leah have? Option A, she had weak eyes. Option B, she was beautiful in form. Option C, she was dark-skinned. Option D, she was fair-haired. The correct answer is option A, she had weak eyes. When Rachel saw that she was bearing no children, how did she respond to Leah? Option A, anger. Option B, sadness. Option C, jealousy. Option D, ridicule. The correct answer is option C, jealousy. Who was Rachel's maid servant that she gave to Jacob to bear her sons? Option A, Zilpah. Option B, Milcah. Option C, Asenath. Option D, Bilhah. The correct answer is option D, Bilhah. Who was the first son of Rachel's maid servant whose name reflected God has vindicated me? Option A, Dan. Option B, Judah. Option C, Joseph. Option D, Zebulun. The correct answer is option A, Dan. Who was Leah's maid servant that she gave to Jacob to bear her sons? Option A, Zilpah. Option B, Milcah. Option C, Asenath. Option D, Bilhah. The correct answer is option A, Zilpah. Who found plants in a field that Rachel wanted to obtain? Option A, Judah. Option B, Levi. Option C, Simeon. Option D, Reuben. The correct answer is option D, Reuben. What did Leah give Rachel, bartering for a night with Jacob? Option A, sheep. Option B, potted branches of an acacia tree. Option C, mandrake plants. Option D, 30 shekels of silver. The correct answer is option C, mandrake plants. What was the name of Leah's daughter? Option A, Tamar. Option B, Dinah. Option C, Miriam. Option D, Zipporah. The correct answer is option B, Dinah. Who was Rachel's first son? Option A, Joseph. Option B, Dan. Option C, Benjamin. Option D, Judah. The correct answer is option A, Joseph. What did Laban say he had learned about Jacob by divination? Option A, that God was giving Jacob the land. Option B, that Jacob's descendants would multiply as the stars. Option C, that the Lord was protecting Jacob. Option D, that the Lord had blessed Laban on account of Jacob. The correct answer is option D, that the Lord had blessed Laban on account of Jacob. What kind of animals did Jacob receive from Laban as a payment for his service? Option A, all black goats. Option B, all white sheep. Option C, all dark lambs. Option D, all the speckled cows. The correct answer is option C, all dark lambs. What trick did Jacob attempt to use to get the spotted sheep? Option A, different colored rock in the fields. Option B, spotted blankets placed by their beds. Option C, allowed them to eat only grass near the spring. Option D, peeled tree branches in the watering troughs. The correct answer is option D, peeled tree branches in the watering troughs. Which animals did Jacob made to be his own? Option A, the strongest. Option B, the healthiest. Option C, the fastest. Option D, the heaviest. The correct answer is option A, the strongest. Besides sheep and goats, Jacob also increased in what two types of animals? Option A, horses and cows. Option B, donkeys and camels. Option C, camels and horses. Option D, cows and oxen. The correct answer is option B, donkeys and camels.